Let's learn how to turn on and off an LED using a push button on Autodesk ticket cards. Uh, Click on Create Circuits. Give a name to your project. Uh, turn, sorry, turn on, turn on, off LED with a push button. Okay, push button. Enter. Very good. Uh, Uh, first of, first of all, let me show you quickly something. Um, Click on basic, as you know, pattern. Click on start simulation. I'm going to show you quickly some things, okay? Uh, Let me zoom with my mouse wheel. Well, as you can see, when I press the push button, the LED of the Arduino is turned on. And when I release the push button, the LED of the Arduino is turned off. This means that when I press the push button, I bring 5 volts to the LED from the Arduino. This means that the, we, we're going to see if the state of the button is equal to high, or if the state of the button is equal to low. This means that we're going to make a comparison between the state of the button and the state of the LED. Okay, I will start the simulation. So, delete this. Well, uh, on drag an Arduino on the breadboard, on the workspace. Sorry, drag an Arduino on the workspace. Uh, where is the Arduino board? Yes. Add a breadboard, the small one. Always connect the GND. Uh, the minus wheel of the breadboard and the 5 volts of the Arduino to the red plus of the breadboard. Do the same things with the other side of the breadboard. Mm. This this is one of the best practice. So change the color. The minus way is the black GND, and the plus is the 5 volt of the Arduino. Same things here. Red, and this is black. Drag an LED on the breadboard. Uh, where is the LED? Drag an LED on the breadboard. Drag a resistor. Connect it to the short leg of the LED. Uh, Connect a jumper wire from the long leg of the LED to to digital pin number 13. Change the color of the jumper wire. This is red. Well, add a push button of a circuit like this. Okay. Add a resistor. Okay. Let's change the value of resistor. We're going to say 15,000 kilo ohm. Okay. Um, Here is the 5 volt of the LED. I think this is okay. Okay. As we're going to press the push button and release it, I think it is better to add some things to see the voltage of the resistor or the voltage of the push button. something else. Uh, let's add a voltage. Sorry, search here a voltage. Sorry, a voltage to the circuit. Sorry, I've forgotten something. Uh, here is the uh, we're going to connect this leg to digital pin number 2. We change the color to green. This is uh for the GND, and this is for uh let's change the color to red, and this color the GND one to black. Very good. As the circuit is set up, I think everything is well. Let's go for the code block. Let's move this. Okay, we move to the bin. Right. Let's add. Let's give a title. Add some comment. We give a title to the code or to the project. This is the purpose of the aim. This project is to learn. Is to learn how to turn on or off an LED using a push button insert. Okay, go and add a control block from where, for example, add another comment line. Uh, uh, as I showed you, we're going to read the state of a push button. So read uh, the push button state, the push button state. Insert create a variable which corresponds to state the state of push button. Insert set state of a push button. We're going to initialize it to G to pin 2. So as you know, when we press the push button, we give a signal to the circuit. So let's add uh, an input, to reset it to G to pin 2. Let's add another comment here. We're going to do what? We're going to press to check if the push button is pressed or is not. So check if push button is pressed or not. Enter. Okay, fine. The next thing that we're gonna do is to add a control, a loop, sorry, a condition, and a if else statement. As I told you, we're going to make a comparison. If a push, if when we, if the state of a push button is equal to high or is equal to or to low, so add a math control. We're going to read the button state. We're going to make a comparison if it is equal to uh to the high level Then if this is equal to eye level, we read uh we set we set pin pin number 13. We set pin number 13 to eye level. Otherwise, we set pin number 13 to a low level. Okay, to a low level. Fine. Uh, After making the code, verify is everything is okay or fine, and let's go for the simulation part. Click on Start Simulation. Wait. At first, we we didn't press the push button, so the voltage indicates 0 volt. When we press the push button, the LED is turned on, and the voltage indicates 5 volt. When we release it, it comes to 0 volt. When you press it again, the voltage indicates 5 volt. So the 5 volt means that we take 5 volt from the Arduino and we bring it to the LED through the push button. I think you could make you could understand this. It's not uh, so difficult at all. So when we release the push button, it is 0 now. Press it again. 5 volt. You can play with it at home or when you have enough time to see what's going on. So start the simulation. This is our fourth project on which consists to turn on and off an Arduino using a push button. See you soon to the next video.